welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming the Morphe 35O palette. I am so excited to show you guys this fun natural smoky eye look that I created with this palette. There are so many possibilities that you can use with this palette and I'm so excited to do future videos on it. Wanted to see how I got this nice makeup look? Make sure to keep watching. To get started, I'm just going to be going in with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. For primer, I'm going in with the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Next, I will be using the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer, and this just gets rid of the fine lines and the creasing that occurs. I do bring it down into my smile line since you do get creasing there and right by your nose. For foundation, I am going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Punjab. And I'm just using a damp beauty sponge to blend that out.
Up on the third floor in my chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
For concealer, I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard. For cream contouring, I am also going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, except in a darker shade. This is the shade Amande.
We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
I am just using an old eyelash palette brush to blend out my nose and the under the lip.
We can get white walls with big windows up on the third floor in my chateau. Why don't we just get a place together?
To soften that up, I am just going to be using a blank side of my beauty sponge and just pressing it down, and this just softens the look. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with the DERMABLEND Professional Loose Setting Powder. And I am just using my damp beauty sponge again to blend that out.
Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
Okay, next I'm just going to be warming up my face with the Nars Bronzer. It is in the shade Casino. I will be using my FARRAH brushes. It is the number 30F. And I am just concentrating it where we put the cream contour, just to intensify it.
We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings and
For my nose, I'm going to be going in with the 55E brush. It is a nice angled brush.
what you want. Why don't we just get a place together?
I am going to be going in with my 50F brush. It's like a big fluffy brush, just to warm up my neck.
Why don't we just get a place together?
For my blush, I'm going to be using the 40F brush, and I'll be going in with the NARS Deep Throat. Next, I'm going to be doing highlighter. I'm going in with the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skin Finish. I am using the 28F brush.
In my chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed.
I'm just going to be using my finger to apply it to my Cupid's bow, and also the tip of my nose and the upper part of the bridge. Okay, it is the moment we both have been waiting for. Today I'm going to be diving in with the 35O Nature Glow Morphe palette. I'm so excited to be using this one. I've really been looking for a Morphe palette that has a bit more neutral tones, and I wanted to have a bit more grays and browns in it, and this one definitely does. It is super pretty. I feel like you could honestly make any fun neutral makeup look with this. So I'm very excited to dive in. I am going to be going in with my IT Cosmetics brush number 322 just for an all over lid eyeshadow. I'm going to be going in with the shade Newest. This is probably like a true nude, so I would say it's darker than most transition shades that I would normally use, but I feel like this might make my makeup look a bit more smooth on my eye, so I feel like this will be a very nice transition shade. I'm going to be going in with the brush number 35E. I am going to be going in with the shade Step Up. Now these, I've noticed, are very pigmented. I barely went in with that, and like it totally just darkened up my entire lid. So definitely be careful when using these. But I feel like that's what I love about Morphe. Their palettes are always so pigmented that you don't have to use a lot of product. Which in the end, I love that. So what I did, I basically just brought it on the outer eye, and then I did bring it up on the crease at the very top. And I just blended that right out. The next brush I'm going to be using is the 25E brush. It's just like a smaller version. I'm going to be going in with the shade Pore. It is like a dark gray. And I'm only going to have that on the lower part of my lid. I don't want to bring it too far up. I want the dark to be concentrated only on my lower lid. So just to blend that out a little bit better, I'm going to be going back in with that big fluffy brush. And I'm just going right on over it. Blending out is a lot better when you have like a bigger brush and when it's not as tight of hairs on the brush. It gives definitely a better blending look. I'm just going to quickly do my under eye. I'm going in with the same 25E brush, and I'm going in with the same shade Pore. And I'm just bringing that right under my eye. But I am going very lightly since this shade is so pigmented. And I'm just going to get the excess off on my hand and then go back in so that I can just blend it out with just the product that's on my face. I'm going to be going in with the shade Sparks. It's kind of like an ebony sparkle. I am just applying that to the inner eyelid, and I'm bringing it from my lash line all the way up to where the crease is. To do that, I'm using the 10F brush. I'm going back in with my fluffy brush and I'm just blending that out so there's no harsh line. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be using the shade Clear. It's a really pretty, I would say like pink and nude sparkle. It's very pretty. Also going to be bringing that on my brow bone. And also just blending that in. Now this is a very neutral, darker, smoky eye. There are so many possibilities of eye looks with this palette, which I love, and there's such a pretty orange. I was going to do that today, but I have stuff to do after this video, and I didn't want to be super glammed up. So this is going to be the finished look for the eyes. In my next video, I will probably do another fun eyeshadow look with this palette, and I'm very excited to show you guys what I have planned. But to finish this look, I am going to quickly go off camera and do my brows, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I just finished my eyebrows, my eyelashes, and my lips. For my eyelashes, I did go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm in the shade Ebony, and I did use the clear brow gel. For my lashes, I just used a normal eyelash curler, and I used the Roller Lash by Benefit. I didn't want to use falsies today just because I am going for the more natural smoky eye look today, so I didn't want to have these big full lashes on. And for my lips, I went in with the NYX Butter Gloss. I'm in the shade Fortune Cookie. I love that shade. It's a really nice nude if you're just going for a nice natural lip. To set my face, I did use the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. And this is the final look.
Why don't we just get a place together?
guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and turn that notification button on. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and I love this palette, you guys. I definitely would recommend this if you're going for more browns, grays, and also some fun peach shades. The 35O Morphe palette is definitely a winner in my book, and I cannot wait to do more makeup tutorials on this palette. If you guys would like me to do more looks with this, make sure to comment below, and I hope you guys have a great night.
Why don't we just get a place together?